With most companies moving to a more hybrid workflow, VPN connections are a huge obstacle with per-user licensing. That's where Sophos SSL VPN comes in. Sophos delivers enterprise-grade security and seamless remote access, all bundled with your Sophos Firewall. Whether you have a handful of users or an entire organization working remotely, Sophos makes it easy to scale up your VPN access, no strings attached. Even setting up a VPN access is easy, and I'm going to show you how. Once we're logged into our firewall, we need to configure the initial VPN group. So we're going to go to Remote Access VPN, SSL VPN, and click Add. Configure manually. We're going to name this group Demo. And policy members, this is where you add our users or groups. So we've created a demo user, but do note we can actually connect to a Active Directory server so you can add those AD user groups into this. Default gateway routes all VPN user traffic back to the firewall for filtering, but in this case we're going to leave it off. And this is where we add our networks that we want VPN groups to have access to. So we've already created a group for our LAN network, so 10.0.50.0, there it is. And this is an idle timeout. We're going to leave that as default for now and click Apply. Now that we've got that configured, the next step is actually turning on the VPN access to the WAN. So we're going to go to Administration and Device Access. Under the WAN category, we're going to enable SSL VPN. Now, optionally, you can turn on the VPN portal on the WAN side so users can set up their VPN connection remotely, but I only recommend doing this temporarily just for initial setup. Now that we have applied those settings, all we need to do is go to the VPN portal, which can be found at https 10.0.50.1, and this will be on port 443. So from here, we're going to log in with our credentials. For mine, it was demo user, and I'll grab the password and log in. From here, we're going to download the Sophos Connect application, and we're going to need our configuration file. We're going to install that. Once installation is complete, you're going to click down here in the bottom right corner and open your Sophos Connect and import that config file you downloaded. Hit connect. We type in our username, and that was demo user, and our password. We'll remember the user and sign in. Now that I'm connected, I can work with internal applications as if I was right there in the office. We can even lock down users based on content filtering, network restrictions, bandwidth restrictions, or even restricting connection only during operating hours. If you're needing security features like these, go check out our configuration services. We set up your firewall to best security practices and customize to your network for plug-and-play transition.